Hello, good morning, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video on a 1949 Chevrolet 3100 five-window pickup. This gorgeous truck sitting on an S10 chassis. This truck is equipped with a 350 crate engine, 700 R4, automatic overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front, vintage heat and air conditioning, full leather interior, sitting on a set of American Racing torque thrust wheels, 18s on the front, 20s on the rear. Truck is finished in kind of a matte root beer color, I would call it. We've actually owned this truck for probably 2 years. It was at my house in Florida. Drove this truck all over down in Florida. Ended up buying 3 or 4 other trucks. So I decided I'd let this one go. Just a gorgeous interior, two-tone leather interior, door panels, headliner, kick panels, seats, everything all matches in this truck. The heat works, the air works, the horn works. Sounds great. Got LED headlights, tail lights. Sorry, I don't have LED headlights. I got LED tail lights. Got some custom pin striping on it. Chrome front and rear bumpers are new. The grille is new. Truck sounds great, runs great, drives great. It's a very, very nicely built truck. Seats are very comfortable. Got a nice little center console in it. Tilt steering column. Got a couple small little chips right here. And the tailgate's got a couple scratches right there in the inside. I don't know if somebody hauled something in there and kind of put a couple of scratches in it, but aluminum radiator, very nicely detailed engine compartment, aluminum Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor, chrome valve covers, HEI distributor, low car transmission dipstick, set power steering and power brakes. Just a gorgeous little truck. It was one that I was happy. I really didn't want to sell it, but you can only keep so many. The 5 windows are harder to find. I think they're pretty darn cool trucks. Doors open and shut nice. The gaps are nice. Panel fitment on this truck very nice as well. Sounds great, dual exhaust. I can turn that air off. Dakota digital dash. Got a lot of things going on here this morning. Kinion Classics, cars coming in, cars going out. Gauges all work: oil pressure gauge, temp gauge, voltage gauge, gas gauge. Truck rides down the road nice, it drives nice. Really quiet inside. Not a lot of wind noise. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, specialty inventory every day. So give us a call on this gorgeous 1949 Chevrolet 5-window pickup. Have a few of these Chevy pickups in stock, so check out our website. You'll see 3 or 4 of them on our website as well. This truck will be advertised on my website today. I'm not going to pull in here. We got some rain in the last couple days, so I'm not going to get her all dirty. But I will get out and show you the outside of the truck, outdoors. And she sounds great, runs great, and drives great. It's a great little truck. Nice stance, staggered 18 and 20-inch wheels. Close these wing windows and it'll probably even be quieter in here. Wing windows were both open, so dome light works as well. Truck gets right up and gets right with the program. Got plenty of power. Ready for somebody to cruise and enjoy. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We're on there sometimes. And most importantly, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.